Good morning. Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's December 4th, Wednesday morning, and grain markets are trying to rebound here after some weakness in corn overnight. The news that had pressured the corn market is the rejection of another 120,000 tons of corn by China because of the gene in the corn that was found that is not approved to come into China. Many are questioning why is China finding this problem right now, as about 14% of the U.S. corn crop will be impacted with this gene. So you have to wonder, is it the visit of Vice President Biden to get attention? Is it they don't need the corn at this point in time? Many traders are scratching their heads, wondering what's going on and what's happening in the government of China right now. But those are things that we're dealing with. The corn market, however, did bounce here the last couple days off of these new lows set early in the week. The resistance right now in the March contract crosses at about 433 to 434 area. We'll have to monitor that. A close below that area could trigger some more buying and short covering to kick into the corn market. So we'll be watching that as we progress this week. The soybean complex has had a sharp break and giving a little bit of a bounce here on potential demand. The big concern with the soybean complex right now is China going to cancel some of the soybean purchases that they've made from the U.S. We think likely not at this point in time. It's more likely that they will cancel or could cancel some of these purchases later on in the marketing year, maybe in January, February, when South America is confirmed to have a crop and they can buy it cheaper there. So we'll be watching that as well. The big demand right now in soybeans is coming from the crushers, the processing soybeans for meal. Meal demand around the world is very good, and crush margins around the world is good, from U.S. to South America to China. So continuing to give us some underlying support in the soybean complex. The wheat market is being supported by Paris wheat, for instance, made a new 6-month high this morning. We've got potential demand being talked about that China looking for some more wheat. Reports out of Argentina that from their government that their wheat crop is smaller than was forecast last time they put out a projection. So likely to not open exports in Argentina, which means Brazil will have to come to the U.S. or somewhere around the world to buy their needs. So a roundabout way to find some support in the wheat market here today. In the livestock markets, they got hit with fund and technical selling yesterday. Quiet here overnight. The fundamentals are not changing that much. We're waiting for some cash trade to develop today or this week, and expected to be steady to higher. But if futures continue to come under pressure, it will make it more difficult for a higher trade this week. Hog markets, the big problem there is the premium between the futures over the cash index, and we're getting close to the expiration of the December contract. So trades watching that very closely and using that as the reason to be concerned and be a seller in the market. Cutout values had slight change yesterday. Beef was up slightly. Pork was down just a bit yesterday. So we'll be monitoring that for you today. Give us a call if you've got any questions. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.